Hello, guys, in this video today, we will going to learn about how to make money while you surfing on the websites. As an example, while you surf YouTube or any other social media platform or any other websites that you are interested in, you can earn money. It is just a time spent with your favorite social media platform. What if you can earn money without any of your skills? It is the best thing I have ever seen. I like to share it with you guys. Before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Then, let's get started.
Maybach.